He faced an army twice his size. Most men would hesitate, most would wait, most would look for a way out. He didn't. They stood across from him, confident, numbers on their side. More men, more weapons, more noise. They thought it was already over. More bodies means more power. More power means more control. That's what most people believe. More men, more force, more pressure. That's how they think you win. He didn't rush forward blindly. He didn't react to pressure. He didn't let the moment control him. He slowed everything down. And when everything slowed down, he took control of it. One group stepped forward, just enough to be seen, just enough to be engaged. They made it look even. They made it look like a fair fight. From the outside, it looked simple. Force against force. Two sides colliding. Exactly what the enemy expected. Because while they were focused on the front, while all attention stayed forward, while everything felt predictable, the real movement had already begun. The sides didn't rush. They didn't panic. They moved wide, further than expected, further than they should have, out of sight, out of mind, out of control. And by the time something felt off, by the time the pressure started to shift, by the time they realized something wasn't right, they weren't facing one direction anymore. They were surrounded. No space to retreat. No clear direction forward. Pressure from every side. Movement closing in. Confusion took over. And control disappeared. What looked like chaos was calculated. What felt like panic was planned. Every movement already decided. They didn't overpower them. They outpositioned them. They didn't rely on strength. They relied on timing, not speed alone, but precision. Today, they call it flanking. Different name, same principle. Control the space, control the outcome. Most men try to win with force. More effort, more energy, more noise. But force isn't control. Positioning is. Patience is. Discipline under pressure is. So the real question is, when pressure shows up, do you react or do you control it? Because when the moment comes, you won't rise to the occasion. You'll fall to your level of preparation. Most men never prepare. If you're serious about becoming disciplined, subscribe.